Friends, today we are reviewing Dark Horse bicycle tail light. I bought this on Amazon because my previous tail light was damaged after using it for almost 2 years. So, which was a good usage for me. And I found this with good reviews. So, let us open it. It comes with a really long and solid light, rechargeable. And let's see what is there in the packet. So now I am opening this paper box which is securely kept inside a plastic container. Yeah, the packing looks very neat and clean. You can see the technical details of this light. They say that it will last for around 2 hours in full strength and up to 6 hours in medium strength, and with blinkers it will last longer. So let's see how the light is. I have already used this for 2.5 hours continuously, and it is giving me good feedback. But there is one challenge which I have fixed. So let's see how to fix it. You can see on the silicone band. So now this is the user manual or how to install it. 12 to 32 mm diameter areas you can use this clip. So you have to just click in this adjustment into the silicone band. So the challenge we found here is on the silicone band of this product. So first of all, it's very tight to go inside, and the silicone band is bit weak or not properly done. So it's very loose, or it's not giving me the confidence to keep this 500 rupee product on the silicone band. So even the way it is going in and it is coming out is a challenge. So still I managed to fix with the original band, but you can see that the bolt and the areas are very very weak. It's not completely fixed by the manufacturer. So now I have a challenge. Either I will have to return it or I have to find a solution. So I'm just checking the light first of all, since it's just been opened. Yeah, the light is good. Even the blue light and the blinkers are good. Even the visibility is good. Our only challenge with this device is the very basic silicone band, which is not that great. So this is the only challenge, and we are going to fix it with one of my old backlight bands. So you never throw out especially your cycle or bike parts. Never throw it out completely. If you have a damaged light, try to keep its silicone band and its holders with you. In these kind of situations, you will have great use. So now I have fixed it with the old one. It is slightly shorter than the original one, but it gives me a much firmer grip. You can see that the old one is bit flimsy or very weak, and this one looks much nice. Now you can see the light is also very good in 4 different modes. So let's see. Yeah, red, blue. Then you have a blinking mode with red and blue also, with alternate colors. And you can select 100% and 50% brightness. So overall it's a good buy, except the fact that the band was little bit